Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Klondike Solitaire. This classic card game uses one standard deck of 52 cards. Your main goal is to move all of these cards to 4 foundation piles, sorted by suit and in ascending order from ace to king. The game begins with 7 tableau piles, where the number of cards increases from left to right, and only the top card of each pile is face up. Within the tableau, you can move cards to build sequences. These sequences must be in descending order, like a queen followed by a jack, and must alternate in color, such as a red queen on a black king. You can move single cards or entire runs of correctly ordered cards from one tableau pile to another. If a tableau pile becomes empty, you may place a king, or a sequence starting with a king, into that open space. When you cannot make any more moves in the tableau, you can draw cards from the stock pile. Depending on the game variation, you might draw 1 card or 3 cards at a time. These drawn cards are placed face up into the waste pile. Only the top card of the waste pile is available for play. If the stock pile becomes empty, you can usually flip the entire waste pile over to create a new stock pile. You win Klondike Solitaire when all 52 cards are successfully moved to their respective foundation piles, sorted by suit from ace to king. A key strategy is to always try to uncover face-down cards in the tableau, as this opens up more possibilities for moves. Also, move cards to the foundation piles as soon as you can, but be mindful not to block potential tableau moves by moving a card too early.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.